Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, before we get started today with the cruise news, I just want to show you guys this real quick. Check it out. Our new cruise shirts are in. See you on the high seas. Guys, let me know what you think of this shirt below. Just kind of came up with something I thought it would make us stand out on the cruise ships a little bit. That way if you see us walk by, hey, you'll know it's us. And of course, always come up and say hi. So I just thought I'd get you guys' opinion on our new cruise shirts. But enough of that, let's jump on into the cruise news. And we're going to start with Celebrity Cruise Lines today. They have officially taken possession of the Celebrity Beyond. So Celebrity Beyond is the third Edge class vessel in the Celebrity fleet and the 15th cruise ship overall. Celebrity Beyond's first sailing is going to be April the 27th from Southampton, England. It's going to be a 10-day sailing. After that, she's going to do some sailings around the Mediterranean before coming over to the United States and doing Caribbean sailings during the winter season. So we welcome the Celebrity Beyond to upcoming cruises that we will all have the opportunity to book and enjoy, especially if you are a fan of Celebrity Cruise Lines. Carnival Cruise Lines has made another change to their health and safety protocols, and we actually did a story about this a couple of weeks ago where Carnival had decided that for on its longer journeys, it was going to require a booster shot, and the one that we had talked about was the Carnival Spirit Sailing. It was a 16-day Carnival Journeys cruise, and Carnival had come out and said because of the duration of the cruise, that any passengers on board who were eligible to get a booster shot would be required to get the booster shot. Now, at the time, that was the only cruise that they had specified that for. Well, now they have come out and they have added some additional cruises to that list. So the first one is the one that we mentioned. It is the Carnival Spirit. It is a 16-day Carnival Journeys cruise departing on April the 17th. The Carnival Pride Transatlantic cruise on April the 24th. The Carnival Pride Barcelona departures on May the 8th, May the 19th, and May the 29th. And the Carnival Splendor, which is a 23 Trans-Pacific cruise, departing on September the 6th. So if you are booked on any of those cruises, you should have already received an email notification updating you on the changes. And like I said, Carnival saying that the reason for this requirement is the length of the cruise, the duration of the cruise, and that is why they are going to be requiring the booster shots for these specific cruises, and no mention or plans of them requiring booster shots for any of your regular 4, 5, 7, 10-day cruises, just for these longer duration cruises. And finally, Disney Cruise Lines. Well, they are supposed to begin sailing full-time from Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale come the fall of 2023. Disney Cruise Lines is going to move a permanent cruise ship to that location, and they are going to be sailing from Terminal 4 there in Port Everglades. Well, since it is Disney, and Disney likes to do everything the Disney way, well, they are going to be transforming, updating, and redoing Terminal 4 in order to turn it into a proper Disney Cruise Line terminal. So expect to see some changes, some construction, and of course, to see some Mickey Mouse ears begin to go up at Terminal 4, because this, of course, has to be completed prior to Disney beginning sailing there at the end of 2023. So they said you may see some construction there, but there is going to be a new official Disney cruise terminal in Port Everglades for their upcoming 2023 season. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's news video. If you have, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.